Looking to work safely in lifting operations? Let's learn about the PRST course in Singapore. What is PRST? PRST stands for WSQ Perform, Rigger and Signalman Tasks. It is a workplace training and certification course that focuses on safe lifting operations. Purpose of this course. This course teaches you how to guide crane operators safely using clear hand signals. Let's see who needs this course. It is suitable for aspiring and experienced individuals assigned as rigger and signalman in the workplace. Have a basic knowledge of the relevant sector of work. Be able to listen and speak English at a proficiency level equivalent to the Employability Skills (ES) Level 2. Be able to read and write English at a proficiency level equivalent to ES Level 2. Be able to manipulate numbers at a proficiency level equivalent to ES Level 2. And be medically fit. Now the recommended learning hours. 16 training hours plus 1.5 assessment hours. And let's see the attendance percentage. 100% for classroom and practical sessions. This course is available in English, Tamil, Bengali, and Mandarin. And the good news is, PRST is available on weekdays, Sunday, and evenings, which means you don't have to skip work. Now let's go to the competency elements. The competency elements covered are CE1. Prepare to perform rigger and signalman tasks. CE2. Perform rigger and signalman tasks. CE3. Reinstate rigger and signalman work area. Now the question arises, where should I do? You can study the PRST course at any accredited training center in Singapore approved by MOM. Now let's look at the charges. Different schools offer different prices. You can choose whichever is good for you. Learn it right, lift it safe, and build a better future with PRST. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.